How to parse information from invoices and receipts that arrive to your Google Drive. This can be done in just one easy step. All you have to do is first set up a connection to your Google Drive by selecting the Drive trigger. If you don't know how to do this yet, we're going to have a video in the description that shows you how to set up your trigger. Once you've selected the folder that you want to monitor, we can go on to the next step. We're going to be using the very handy Process Expense Document Processor. This is going to allow you to be able to parse many different fields from your documents. This works for invoices and for receipts. All you have to do is select the document that you want to process. So if we click on the token picker or the chain, we're going to be able to select the content of the file coming from the trigger. And then if we go to the output, we're going to be able to see all of the different fields that are available. So if your receipt or your invoice has any of these fields, you can easily extract it. And just like that, you're able to extract information from an incoming invoice.